Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lafayette County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Yalobusha County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Water Valley, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oxford, Water Valley, Holly Springs National Forest, Springdale, Denmark, Taylor, College Hill Station, Altus, Keel, College Hill, and Yacona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.